Hi everyone, this is Liam with National Powersports Distributors. Today, we'll be looking at this 2024 Can-Am RYKER Rally 900 Ace Trike. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description, or by going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. Scrolling down here, we can see that this trike has 691 miles. We can also see that it passes New Hampshire State Inspection. Scrolling through our mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We've measured the charging output on this trike at 14 volts, with the front left tire at 930 seconds, the front right at 930 seconds, and the rear tire at 1030 seconds. One of our technicians took this trike for a test ride and found that it runs, shifts, and handles properly. We've posted the service repair order for this trike so you can see the parts and labor invested in it when we put it through our shop. Because of this trike's age and mileage, we would point out everything that we noted as flaws not caused by normal riding. But there are no blemishes that we found on this trike. This trike does include an owner's manual located in the case suit, along with 2 keys. It was optioned from the factory with ABS, and it's been upgraded with an Akrapovic exhaust, a shad saddlebag, and a shad top case. This trike has a clean title, and we've also purchased a Cycle Checks vehicle history report. This trike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage options are available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
You can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.